Hello, have you ever felt stuck, like your career is fading or threatening by technology?
So is it any wonder people are afraid of technology?
Technology!
You are not alone. Thousands face reality that AI and digitalizations were reshaping Malaysia job market. There was an article by Minister of Human Resources says that 620,000 jobs will be displaced and disappeared in the next few years. But there is a powerful alternative, massage therapies, a skill rooted in traditions yet evolving with technology. At Tim Bodycare Academy, we offer SKM-3 and DKM-4 accredited courses helping career changer like you to reskill in high-demand, trusted professions. Our curriculum meets ISO 9000 international standards and integrates AI-powered digital tools to make learning faster and more effective. This means you can gain recognition of certification that employer trusted. Listen, what does your ideal career look like? Stability, income potential, purposes? Our graduates earn monthly salary ranging from 2,002 to 6,000 ringgit doing what they love, and it is a skill no AI can replace. Don't wait for changes to force your hand. Proactively build a rewarding career by enrolling today. Visit massage.com.my to find out more and secure your spot in our next SKM-3 and DKM program. Change your life with massage therapies. Apply now. Shall you want to find out more information? Please visit our website massage.com.my. Shall you like this video? Please remember to like, follow and share. Thank you.